Alright folks, it looks like it's just a few of us today. Got Rocky out in the building.
Real bike life.
What's that?
14, baby.
Yes sir, yes sir. This is crazy how these two look alike. Alright. Is Danny coming? I see. Yeah, we're gonna meet up Moto Mac at the second spot in Bloomfield, and then we're gonna roll in together. You know? Now folks, the last time we were here, this was like completely different, you know? So this is, I guess, our new and improved meetup spot in this area. So gonna be some good stuff. But we're gonna meet up Mac at the second stop, and then we're gonna head over to the 650E setup. I'm testing the Aprilia 1100 at 12 o'clock today. So I got my temporary mount so I can put on different bikes. So since I forgot to bring my my microphone, I'm gonna have to do like a delayed overlay of the voice, but it's all good. Gio in the building. So for Snake and the rest of the folks in the Discord, the bike is up and running. All right, all is good. You know, it's been a long journey. We started from January, February, all the way to now. You know, but everything's looking nice and neat. All right. So we'll wait for Ralph to get here, and then we're gonna head on out.
The revolution will be live.
Parkway, like by the rest stop. That was you?
I was leaving.
Yeah, okay. Got you. Good to see you, brother. How's everything?
Trying to get some party, man. Respect witness.
What happened? Man,
Showed up late as shit. You didn't even show up.
No, I was at the rest stop. Well, a minute late, and then I saw Corey leaving. I was like, oh shoot, I thought you were just passing through. My bad. I was looking for my camera, and I'm like, all right, you know what? I'm just gonna have to do without the chin mount. All right. Yeah, I put that time because they said they're gonna be here like.
I was waiting for you when I never met you before because I never had my bike.
All right, I'm like, eh. So, oh, here's Mac. So,
up, bro? Good deal. Chilling. What's up, bro? We're gonna wait for my boy Larry, and I think a few others. I just came from Motorcycle Mall. It's not too much happening there right now.
Okay.
So,
But
it's not
Eve's
like
already
we're
there?
Yeah, Eve.
Okay.
This is pretty cool. Cool.
You and me both, brothers.
Shit, I did that yesterday. I did that yesterday. Well, yeah. He did do that yesterday.
He wasn't messing around, man.
I think I remember this because you picked it up in that group, right? And yeah, I remember seeing you pick it up. I was like, oh wait, that looks like.
Yeah, yep. But you on this, dude?
Oh man,
It's all motor at that point. Like it just, dude.
This thing was just wheeling the whole time.
Actually, he was out there that night. Remember Punisher with the Super Booster?
Yeah.
Remember on the turnpike?
Yeah.
Woo! Man, I had nothing for him that day.
We were just ripping.
Ready to rock and roll. Yo, dude, we were killing it. We were leaving Extreme Machines that day.
No, we didn't buy it now. But it's so cute, bro.
Alrighty. Oh, Corey, that helmet is dope as hell, bro. That is fire, yo. I thought I had something crazy. That Darth Maul over here. That's what's up.
That reminds me of Bowser's Show.
Yeah, bro. Yo, that's dope. All right, folks. Yo, Evan, it's so good to see you, man. Dang, it's been too long, man. All right.
Man, all those hot dog runs, the beach runs.
Well, I'm glad you're back, man.
It's a motorcycle mall. I'm gonna park my bike in the garage. You guys have to stand with.
That's fine. That's fine.
Ha 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 ha!